Good morning, students. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is 11, mensuration. What is the exact meaning of mensuration? Mensuration means measurement. So, measurement of any particular figure comes under mensuration. So, let's start with an introduction of, and first is our revision part. What is a perimeter? The perimeter is the distance around its boundary and its area is the region covered by it. So, suppose there is a particular garden area is there and we want to fence that garden. So, what is the thing that we have to find in that particular situation? It is the perimeter, because fencing is always done on the boundary of the garden. So, for that we need to know the total distance of the boundary, or you can say the perimeter of the boundary. And if I want to build grass, or if you want to grow grass in the garden, so what is the thing that we need to know is we need to know the area of the garden, or we can say area for which we have to put the grass. So these are the two things that you have already studied earlier. We will find out some figures and their perimeter and area to just revise through all these things. So areas of some of the shapes and their perimeter I have written just for you to recall these formulas. First is area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle? We know that rectangle is having a length and the breadth. So it will be A into B. What is area of square? Area of square will be A into A, or you can say L square, depending on the measurement of the side. That is, here I have taken A, that is why it is A square. You can write it as A square or L square, length square. Third is triangle. Triangle is equal to half base into height. This is the base and height is the perpendicular distance which touches the base. This is height. So formula of a triangle is half base into height. And what is the formula of a parallelogram? Parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel to each other. And here formula of parallelogram, area of parallelogram is base into height. Base will be this and height will be the perpendicular distance which is touching the base line, and this is the height. So base into height. And what is the area of circle? Area of circle means pi r square. This is the area and it is the radius. Now similarly we will find out the perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter of all these shapes? So perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle will be 2 times length plus breadth. What is perimeter exactly? It is the addition of all the sides, all the boundaries. If we sum up all the boundaries, then we get the perimeter. So as you know that opposite sides are same, so 2 times L plus B. Now square will be 4 times side. The side can be L or A. Then triangle is sum of length of 3 sides. Whatever the length of the 3 sides will be, if we add it, we will get the perimeter of that particular triangle. Then parallelogram. What is the parallelogram that we have already seen here? Parallel sides are opposite sides are parallel and equal. So here both these sides will be equal and both these sides will be equal. That means it is same as rectangle. So here 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent sides. What will be the sum of adjacent sides? Means this will be the length, and here whatever the value of this length will be. So sum of these adjacents multiply by 2, because opposite sides are same, or you can add all the measurements of the boundaries. Then what is perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle means this one. So we can call this as the circumference of the circle. So what is the formula of circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. So you need to remind yourself all these formulas, the area of these particular figures and also the perimeter of these figures.